Hey everybody, welcome to another Pokemon opening. Today I have a Journey Together booster bundle. I just got this in the mail. I pre-ordered it like when the set was first announced. So we're gonna crack into it and see if we can actually get any hits. I have not opened one of these yet. I've opened build and battle boxes. I have not opened bundle. So let's see how that goes. 6 booster packs. Oh, glory. I don't know if the hit rates on the booster bundle is better, but we will find out. Then, just individual sleeves. Wow, okay, first hit, spiky energy, gold, huge. Wow, okay, we're starting out with a banger for sure. Okay. I'm actually running out of sleeves, so unfortunately, I can't sleeve that for you right now. For y'all right now, because I don't have any sleeves. I mean, always a good problem to have. Keep that right there. I'm really looking for the Articuno IR, as well as another IR. I don't remember what it is. Oh, Kilowattrel. Wow, Among Us EX. We are 2 for 2. Holy! Obviously, hitting an SR would be amazing as well, but I do not expect that in a booster bundle. Of all things. Alright, there we go. Finally, a pack no hit. Metagross. 2 more packs. Alright, last pack magic. I mean, we did get 2 hits so far. That's pretty good for a booster bundle in my opinion, especially gold. Can we close this out with an IR? I'd be very happy. Ooh, Tapu Koko EX. Nice. 3 hits and 6 boosters? Absolutely insane, actually. Really crazy hit rate. Obviously not the most value. Maybe got close to our money back. But Spike Energy, it's my third one. Third gold Spike Energy. So pretty crazy. If you guys like this opening, make sure you leave a like, comment if you want to, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!